Okay, as you can see, I'm on the main Google page. I'm going to go down to calendar. And for September, we're going to do for every Thursday on the 17th. So let's do that. Alright, and we're going to title this Meeting Call. And you can also remind yourself weekly on Thursdays. And you can also add guests if you need to, whoever you want to be in the call. The location of the call, you can put descriptions or attachments, more options. You could put that you're free or busy. I'm going to put that on busy. And you can do it public or private. I'll put it public. You can also do the times required guest. Let's do well, you could put the times if you go back, but I'm gonna save this, and now you have a meeting call right here. And yeah, so join with Google Meet. You can also do that.